Ready to level up your Roblox experience with some totally free stuff. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to redeem Roblox promo codes, giving you a shot at free items, accessories, and other awesome rewards in your favorite games, whether you're playing on your PC or your phone. First, let's tackle redeeming codes on PC. Open your web browser and head over to the official Roblox website. That's Roblox.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Locate the promo code section. This is usually found on the main website or in your account settings. This section may appear as a distinct tab or as a link, depending on Roblox's current UI. Click on it to go to the code redemption page. You'll see a text box where you can enter your code. Type in the promo code exactly as it appears, paying close attention to capitalization and any special characters. Then, click the redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll receive a success message, and the item should be added automatically to your Roblox inventory. Time to check it out. Easy, right? Now, to redeem codes on your phone, the process is slightly different. Open the Roblox app on your phone, log into your account if you aren't already. Navigate to your profile, usually by tapping your profile icon. On your profile page, go to Settings. Settings is usually denoted with the gear icon or the word Settings. Within Settings, look for the Redeem Code option. Tap on Redeem Code. You'll be presented with a text box. Enter the promotional code just like on PC, ensuring it's typed correctly. Tap the Redeem button. If the code is successful, a success message will appear on your screen, and any items associated with the code will be added to your account. Congratulations, you now have free items. And that's it. Now head out there and enjoy your free Roblox goodies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks, and check the description below for some potential promo codes active today. Thanks for watching.